Hello friends, in the our stairs series we are just discussing here the next video of our stair series. Okay, so here we discussed about the stair. There is a straight stair. Okay, in this we discussed about how to change the size and how to make the materials. Okay, how to connect with the levels. Okay, so I'm taking this section. This is our stair. We discussed about everything. Okay, in stair. Now we have the more stairs. Okay, like this full step spiral means you can use, if you want spiral stair, you can use with your number of risers. Okay, when you will see in 3D, you will see like this. Okay, when you will click this, the railing also will come here. Railing we will discuss in some upcoming videos, but here is we talking about only the stair. Yeah, is here I'm monolithic stair I'm doing, and doing the realistic. So if you need spiral stair, you can take the same as before. Straight stair, same like run type you can change here. Lot of things is here. Okay, so everything is here same as before. Okay, so if you want to learn this one, so you can check my one previous video. Then here is support also I discuss this side and this side, both side supports. So in right side support there is here, and left side support is also is here. Okay, in when you will go in landing type, the thickness of landing also is here. So this all I describe in my previous video. So if you want to learn this, check out my before video. So this is spiral stair. Then if you will go again stair, there is see center and in spiral, it means it's a semi sphere. You can see wherever you want, you can pick it and close it. Okay, same as before. This one we have L type. If you want to use, you can use L type stairs, so you no need to create make any. So you can use this one. In some buildings you have see these kind of stairs, so this also we have. Then U shape also we have. So the most important part in these all stairs is, if suppose I want to edit something in the stair. Okay, so how can I? Okay, that's the most important part. So in that case, suppose you are taking this stair. Okay, and you are going here. So now this stair you can edit, means all risers. Okay, and the boundaries and this stair path you can edit here. Okay, the way how you can edit, go to the convert and do not show this message, close. So here we get one edit sketch point. Okay, so you can select it. Now you can change everything in this stair. Suppose risers you need straight, or you can delete and you can make new risers also from here. Suppose I'm deleting this. Okay, and I want to create risers, so I can take, or I can make offset also. The distance of riser I can check here. What is the distance between this one is 160, so this one also I need 160. Okay, if you want you can offset also 160 this side. Okay, but it should be proper connect. Okay, otherwise it become problem for you. Now here suppose I no need this one, delete this, take eraser, connect this here, make it little back, take it this side. So it's connecting by together. I don't want to connect. I want from here, suppose. Select this tab, click on this and select. Like this you can change. I made like this, and if you want more you can change here. Okay, so now I'm doing yes, it becomes, when you want to check, you check it. Now you made it different completely, you see. And do it here, select your stair and click here on green. Okay, then now it's taking little time. Remove the railing before. Also we will discuss about the railing. Okay, now take here in Maruti stair. Now you see your stairs changed. Okay, this whole things changed because of I made edit. Okay, now uh okay, go here, go to the stair. So these stairs is you can change and you can edit. Okay, so in this video I told you how to change our executed stairs, so which you provided and you want to change, so you can change. Select here, the convert will open. After the conversion, edit sketch is open. In edit sketch you can change. Okay, I hope you understand this video and make practice perfect. If you have any doubt you can comment me, I will give the answer of your questions. Okay, okay.